hair is looking amazing. Looks so nice. Today I just want to show you something. You know, as we do our homesteading, we have some herbs that we have around here. I just want to show you some of them. Like this one here, this is the first one, and the way we've done it, if you notice we have planted it along the fence because we are just trying to maximize on the small space that we have. So here we have thyme. Thyme is a very nice herb. It can be used in your meat, and it smells so good. It has very many benefits. You can Google them: antioxidant, antifungal. It is very nice. So this is one of the herbs that we have around here. We have several, and even just the other day on Sunday we went plant shopping because we want to add some more. On this side here we have sage. I don't know if you've ever heard of sage. Now sage, talk about smelling good. This one smells perfect. It has such a sweet, strong aroma. So you can dry it. When you dry it, it's a bit dark. I hope the video is clear. You dry it and then you crush them to make your tea, your herbal tea. It is awesome. Also has amazing benefits. On this side, on this side now we have oregano. Have you ever heard of oregano? This one, actually, it is said that it helps also with for those guys who are aging. It helps with hormone balance. I don't know, but just Google it. These herbs have very many benefits, and the beauty is that you maximize your space. You don't have to struggle to have a big garden. So like as we have utilized the space where we have the flowers to plant them, it looks so good also, and the smell is also very nice. Yeah, and it's a bit strong. It smells so good. So after this, this having plant. Oh no, it broke, but it's dried up. And we're gonna turn it. Let's just do this. So we're just trying to recreate like a feeling of soil there so that it can continue to grow. We're gonna fix it. How much you can do with bamboo. So come. Here, I want to show you. Do you remember this rose? This place was full of roses, but unfortunately, if you watch another video, I can link it down below. We made a mistake and sprayed a herbicide instead of a pesticide, and what happened? They died. But I'm so happy. This plant is doing so well right now. Look at it. It's doing so well. And the other herbs, okay, the other stems, we left them and now they are like dead. So it's like the only one that survived. It's so nice having a rose around, and then it smells so nice. So as I was telling you, we did plant flower topping recently, and we added some more herbs here in our little space. But we haven't transplanted them yet because we knew if we transplant them immediately, Nairobi has been so hot, they might die. So we want to water them from just show the flowers and the herbs. So we want to water them. We'll water them from for the few days up to weekend, and then over the weekend it's like 5 days, and then you're going to plant them. So we want to add some more. Yeah. And finally I got an aloe vera. I can't wait for this thing to grow. You know, aloe vera is very good. It has very many health benefits. Look at that juice, that sap. This sap is medicinal. You can use it, you can drink it, you can use it on your skin. I just can't wait to see how big it gets, and then at least you're going to be using it. I have, funny enough, never had aloe vera in my garden. How weird. So when we went shopping, I have a small clip showing you where we get our flowers and our plants. Actually, if you're in Nairobi, Karen, just before the Karen shopping center, there are very many guys who sell flowers, who sell plants, the pots also. You're going to see them. You just have a variety to choose from. So I'll link it here and I'll show you. Now you know where to get your flowers, and you I think I even did a while back a whole video on where we buy on plant shopping. We were shopping for some of these flowers that are now very grown. They are big. So I want to show you the other two. I have other two herbs outside in the leafy garden. As you can see, we are inside. We need to open the gate, and it's locked by key. So let me get the key. Meanwhile, Lizzie will show you how our plants are doing.
So guys, now it's Lizzie, Helen's daughter. Yes. So here, you've already seen the aloe vera, and I think this is, I forgot the name, and this is steel sage. Yeah. And we've got some more bamboo, and the rose, I'm actually so proud of it because like it's so okay and fine and good looking. Yeah. So guys, let's just go to this side. Now here is where like we plant. I know you can't see that well. So this is a fruit growing. I don't know what type. Yeah, I think it's guava. Yeah, here it is. Good looking, it's fresh. And here is lemongrass.
Yeah, lemongrass. They didn't forget to show lemongrass.
Yeah, here's lemon. Like it can cut me because that's why I don't want to touch it fully. Yeah, let me just come to the light.
Lemongrass looks like napier grass, but it's very nice for tea actually.
Yeah.
It's getting dark. Let's go to the farm.
Okay, now let's go to the farm.
I just got back from work and realized I hadn't shown you the herbs we have. Come. Ooh. So we are trying to refresh our garden. You can see the compost. Now let's show them the herbs before it gets so dark.
Yeah.
So these are strawberries. They're actually here, but we trimmed all of them so that they can regrow afresh. And when they regrow, I realized the ones that come up, they are very much pest resistant.
So guys, now we can see well.
What is
so
this?
This is called mint. It smells really, really good. And it's so pretty. You can use it for homemade lemonade and such stuff.
Even for juices.
Yeah, it smells so good.
Yeah. And there are so many. You see, it keeps spreading. The beauty with this, like this one, we planted it a long time ago, but they keep spreading.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is a very nice thing.
Very nice.
Our pawpaws.
You see this pawpaw? It's so short, like you can even reach on it, but it's so small. Oh no. The dry one.
The fruits here.
So here are the fruits. We found like way bigger than this.
Like blended them and had
yeah.
That's the beauty of having your own kitchen garden, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the last herb we have in our farm here is the famous rosemary. Yeah, I'm sure you can see it.
Yeah.
Rosemary is so good. It is used for so many things. It's medicinal. You can also use it for your chicken. We love it in chicken and meat. And we are so happy to have it from our garden. Yeah, so we also have some fruits here.
Here they are.
Yeah, so we have refreshed the garden. We have planted a few things, and then we want to add some more. We usually do that every so often just to make sure that the soil is okay. And then when the weeds overgrow, we just remove them, we refresh the garden and plant afresh. On this side we have our kale, sukuma wiki, some people call it collard green. It's okay. So these ones, they are a bit, we are watering daily now because Nairobi is super duper hot. But we hope it's gonna rain soon.
He's one of the longest ones.
In January it's usually dry, so we always water out. This is stinging nettle. So we are going to dry this. Stinging nettle has a lot of health benefits, but don't touch it because it will sting. So we are going to dry it, clean it. This from the farm. After cleaning it, then you'll dry it on a rack for about, if you touch it, it stings. 2 weeks, then we'll grind it and later use it for nettle tea. It's very beneficial, has vitamins, magnesium, and a lot of health benefits. Look at the ground. Can you show?
The ground is so dry.
It's so dry. But at least these story gardens normally help.
Yeah.
You see, like here we want to plant something. And so the thing, well, I was showing you this is because I want to encourage you guys that no matter how little your space is, you can actually do something with it. Like you can plant your own crops, you can plant your own vegetables on the list and enjoy. Like if you don't have space, you can have one of these. You can also put sacks. Like I have so many videos showing the methods we've applied, like the sack, the containers, and so many others. Here is our compost. We built it because the other one collapsed. Now it's taller and
It's taller and has more
yeah,
space.
it has more space. And now we'll just, after some time, we will mix it up and then we get the compost and put it in the gardens.
Yeah, so here are some potatoes.
Yeah, so that's what we wanted to show you today.
Yeah, so guys, there's one more thing that I want to tell you guys. You see on this huge tree, like here where we found the pawpaws, they dropped from like this part and dropped down. They were like so big and heavy. Yeah, and this pawpaw tree might produce even more fruits. Not even might, it will.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That is lavender, by the way. We forgot to say.
Yeah.
So we are going to be planting the lavender and see how it turns out. It's our first time trying it. Basically, that's what we wanted to show you guys.
Yeah. Okay, bye.